Alright, let's be real. If opening your kitchen cabinet feels like triggering an avalanche, it's time for a serious upgrade. Cluttered shelves, crowded drawers, and wasted space? We're flipping that story today. I've found some incredibly smart kitchen organizers that maximize every inch, simplify your routine, and make everything look instantly put together. Stick with me because these solutions just keep getting better as we go. And if you spot something you love, all the links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's begin with a pull-out spice rack that maximizes every inch, especially those tricky, narrow spots most kitchens overlook. This slim metal system slides out smoothly so you can see every spice without digging around. No more knocking bottles over trying to find paprika. This vertical layout keeps everything aligned, visible, and easy to grab while cooking. Durable construction feels sturdy with every pull. At $38 for this 2-pack, this upgrade turns wasted space into something incredibly practical and satisfying. Up next, this 2-tier pots and pans hanging rack frees up crowded cabinets by bringing cookware into open view. Instead of stacking and clanging inside shelves, this setup lets pots hang neatly from 12 adjustable S-hooks for better organization. You can rearrange the hooks depending on size, making it incredibly flexible for changing needs. The open design improves airflow, accessibility, and visibility, while adding a clean, professional kitchen feel that looks intentional. At $65, this transforms storage into display while making everyday cooking far more convenient. Now moving into pantry control, this rotating grain dispenser replaces messy bags with something far more organized and efficient. This 6-grid container stores rice, lentils, cereal, or snacks in sealed compartments that keep everything fresh, visible, and easy to access. A one-click dispensing system releases just what you need without spills or wasted food. Transparent panels help monitor levels instantly, so refills are never a surprise. Estimated around $30, this brings structure, cleanliness, and a streamlined feel to dry food storage. Right after that, this sink caddy organizer keeps cleaning essentials from spreading all over the counter like they often do. This compact holder separates sponge, scrubber, and soap into one tidy station, while ventilated slots promote faster drying and better hygiene. No more soggy sponge smell lingering around the sink area. The raised design prevents water buildup underneath, helping surfaces stay cleaner over time. At just $12, this simple addition instantly makes the sink zone feel more controlled, organized, and manageable. Let's keep rolling with this 2-tier pull-out cabinet organizer designed specifically for under-sink spaces that usually feel awkward to use. This smooth glide system pulls forward fully so nothing gets lost in dark corners or buried behind bottles. You can finally see every item without rearranging everything each time. 2 spacious levels separate supplies vertically, maximizing unused height efficiently. A strong frame supports heavier cleaning products with confidence. At $28, this turns that cabinet into a functional, easy access storage zone. Meanwhile, this 360-degree pantry organizer makes grabbing canned goods feel effortless instead of frustrating during busy moments. This 2-tier rotating platform spins smoothly so you can access items with a quick turn, rather than unloading entire shelves to find something. Raised edges keep containers stable, while included bins organize smaller goods neatly in place. The system supports up to 30 pounds, making it both practical and durable for daily use. At $34, this upgrade eliminates stacked clutter completely. Here's another smart upgrade. This 17-inch magnetic knife bar clears bulky knife blocks off the counter instantly. This strong magnetic strip holds knives, scissors, and other metal tools securely in plain sight for safer, quicker access. You not only save drawer and counter space, but you also protect blade edges from damage caused by stacking. Installation is straightforward and adds a sleek, professional look. At $26, this brings safety, visibility, and organization together beautifully. Shifting focus to drying solutions, this large 2-tier dish drying rack handles heavy loads without crowding the sink area or limiting workspace. Its stainless structure separates plates, bowls, and cookware across multiple levels, while an extended drain board directs water away efficiently to avoid puddles. Elevated airflow helps dishes dry faster, reducing the need for extra wiping later. Rust-resistant materials stand up to constant moisture easily. At $58, this delivers reliable performance while keeping the cleanup zone structured. Now dialing into drawer organization, this cutlery organizer tray keeps utensils from sliding into chaotic piles every time you open the drawer to cook. This compact layout fits slimmer spaces while clearly separating spoons, forks, knives, and tools so everything stays visible. Durable plastic construction withstands constant daily use and cleans quickly without hassle. Structured compartments maintain order automatically, so items return to their place. Estimated around $15, this brings calm and consistency to a frequently used space. Up next, this 5-in-1 kitchen soap dispenser combines multiple sink essentials into one streamlined, space-saving unit. This multifunctional design integrates a soap pump, sponge holder, brush slot, tray, and storage base together to reduce clutter instantly. Controlled dispensing minimizes soap waste, while built-in drainage prevents standing water and residue buildup. The compact setup keeps cleaning tools centralized, organized, and always ready to use. Estimated near $20, this creates efficiency exactly where you need it most. Quick reminder, if any of these caught your attention, all product links are waiting for you in the description below. Continuing right along, this hanging undershelf storage basket makes use of vertical space that usually sits empty, and it does it without any drilling required at all. This adjustable design slides securely over existing shelves, instantly creating an extra layer for wraps, snacks, or lightweight pantry goods you want within reach. Open wire construction keeps airflow steady and items visible at a glance. This 2-pack doubles efficiency without adding bulk. At $27, this turns overlooked space into practical storage you'll notice every single day. Gliding further into pantry upgrades, this clear pantry storage bin set brings instant visibility to shelves that used to feel crowded and difficult to manage. These transparent containers let you see contents immediately, which cuts down on rummaging and forgotten items hiding in the back. The structured shape groups similar foods together while keeping everything contained and easy to pull out when needed. Durable material handles daily use without flexing. At $45 for this 4-pack, this creates a clean, categorized system that feels refreshingly organized. And fridge organization. This dedicated egg organizer replaces flimsy cartons with something far more secure and satisfying to use every day. This structured tray holds eggs neatly in place while making quantities easy to track through the clear, thoughtful design. No more crushed corners or sliding stacks when you reach inside quickly. The container maximizes shelf alignment and keeps everything looking orderly. At $32, this small swap makes the refrigerator feel far more intentional, functional, and consistently tidy. Now leaning into dry food storage again, this spaghetti and pasta container keeps long noodles protected without awkward boxes getting in your way during meal prep. This tall glass design holds strands without breaking, while an airtight seal maintains freshness for longer storage. Transparent walls show contents instantly, and the stackable shape saves valuable vertical room on shelves. Dishwasher-safe construction makes cleanup simple and convenient. At $19, this delivers durable, clean storage that looks just as good as Kleischening as it performs. Keeping this momentum going, this food container lid organizer finally solves that chaotic pile of mismatched lids, one of the kitchen's most annoying problems to deal with daily. Adjustable dividers let you customize spacing so lids stand upright, visible, and always easy to grab when needed. This compact unit fits neatly inside cabinets without wasting usable space at all. No more digging through stacks just to match one container. At $17, this brings lasting structure to something that usually feels impossible to control consistently today. Now, sliding over to beverage storage, this soda can organizer keeps drinks lined up neatly instead of rolling around unpredictably across shelves in the refrigerator. The angled dispenser design allows cans to glide forward smoothly as you grab one, keeping everything looking consistently stocked and easy to navigate during days. Clear construction makes it simple to see when it's time to refill again quickly. This compact footprint saves shelf space while improving accessibility. At $20, this adds convenience and a polished, orderly, and distinctly modern look. And turning attention toward cabinet efficiency, this cabinet door organizer unlocks storage you didn't even realize you had available to use. This mounted system holds wraps, cleaning supplies, or pantry essentials right inside the door panel, making use of otherwise unused vertical surfaces. Slim construction keeps doors closing comfortably while maintaining quick, convenient access. This setup reduces shelf crowding instantly and improves organization. Estimated around $25, this transforms hidden areas into functional storage without changing your cabinet layout. Moving ahead with food prep solutions, this airtight plastic food storage container set keeps leftovers and ingredients sealed, fresh, and stackable for everyday convenience. BPA-free construction ensures safe storage, while tight lids lock in freshness and prevent leaks during refrigeration. The uniform shape allows containers to stack cleanly without wobbling or wasting valuable shelf space, ideal for meal prep or daily use. At $33 for this set of 5, this adds reliable structure and consistency to routines. Rolling into smarter refrigeration, this wheeled fridge organizer makes accessing items at the back of shelves surprisingly easy and far less frustrating. Built-in wheels allow the bin to slide forward smoothly so nothing gets forgotten behind taller containers or bulkier groceries. The clear body keeps contents visible while maximizing depth that's usually hard to use effectively. Durable construction supports heavier items confidently. At $29, this brings motion, visibility, and accessibility into your refrigerator layout. And closing things out with a clever finishing touch, this stackable water bottle organizer keeps tumblers and bottles from tipping over each other and creating clutter. The tiered design holds large bottles horizontally so they stay stable, separated, and easy to grab quickly. Stackable layers expand storage vertically without crowding shelves or wasting space. This works beautifully for reusable bottles or even wine storage. At $15, this creates a clean, secure system that makes hydration storage look intentional. And that brings us to the end of today's roundup of smart kitchen organizers designed to seriously elevate your space. From innovative drawer fixes to pantry solutions that make the most of every inch, these finds help transform cluttered areas into clean, functional zones that feel effortless to use. If you spotted a favorite, you'll find all the links down in the description. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more clever Amazon kitchen upgrades. Catch you in the next one.